here is a Zayre 20-inch 3-speed reversible with thermostat, 7-bladed box fan with the pilot light. I got this fan for Christmas. It's missing the badge. The grill is being held on by copper wire and some square washers. I don't think this is the original blade because it's blue on the back. As you can see, it's very yellowed, or very sun-baked, because it falls, like crumbles apart in your hand when you squeeze the blades. Normal Hunter motor. All the model information. Is it gone? I can't really see. Yeah, you can tell by the handle how sun-baked this is. This was definitely somebody's garage or shop fan, but now it's my garage or shop fan. Anyways, here is high intake. Medium. And low. Fan is a very slow low. Back to high. And spin down before I put in reverse. Alright, here is high exhaust. Medium. Low. Alright, thanks for watching.